Choosing the right rafter tail design for your pergola can greatly enhance the finished look. To help you with this, we've created a series of templates that you can download and print. These are available in PDF files, like what's shown here. For smaller lumber sizes, the template will fit a standard letter sheet of paper and can then be printed to 100% scale. Aligning the paper with the end of the board, trace it out with a pencil or permanent marker. Next, use a jigsaw to cut the pattern out. You will find that making relief cuts makes the process a little easier. As you can see, if you have a nice, sharp blade and a steady hand, the cut really shouldn't need any sanding at all. This next step is optional, but definitely recommended. Chuck a 1/8 inch roundover bit in a router, and use this to soften the corners of the cut you just made. Not only will this help keep it from splintering, it will also make a professional presentation. As an example, you can see that this quad scotia rafter tail has a clean and classic look. Now, if you decide to make the 2x6 rafter with the same pattern, you can just cut down the previous one to the smaller size. Now, let's suppose that you have larger lumber that needs to be cut, in this case a 2x10. You can see that this pattern is full size at 11x17, which is not a paper size typically available in home printers. You have two choices. 1. Send the pattern to a print shop and have them run it off quickly. Or 2. Do a banner print using a smaller paper size. We'll do the banner print option here to demonstrate. In your PDF viewer, use the marquee zoom tool to zoom in on the size of the pattern you want to print. Next, go to File Print and change to the Current View option or similar. Under Page Scaling, change to Tile Large Pages. If the option is available, change the overlap to something like 0.1 inches, and then print. In our case, the pattern printed to 3 pages. These are easily cut out with scissors and then can be taped together to form the larger template. After assembling, the process is the same as shown previously. Don't forget to check out the Apex Pergola Design website for all the rafter tail templates we have available. A link to these is shown below in the description. Thanks for following along, and we'll see you next time.